Hello and welcome back to the JetBackup tutorial series. In this video, we'll be covering the second half of the settings section in JetBackup 5. We'll go over the available options in the Restore, Privacy and Security, Panel, Backup on Demand, as well as the Notification and Binary Locations tab in the Settings menu. Continuing on with the remaining tabs in the Settings menu, we have the Restore tab. This tab contains options directly relating to JetBackup 5's Restore functionality. Here you're able to control items such as restore conditions, which allows you to set a condition pop-up on restores initiated by clients, or set file restore permissions for home directory and email files as well as folders. Selecting Manage Restore Conditions or Manage File Permissions will open their respective menus for setting either conditions or permissions. In addition to restore permissions or conditions, you're able to set a limit on restores per account. This can be especially useful to prevent clients from unnecessarily using valuable system resources by repeatedly queuing up restores. Finally, the option to toggle home directory locking during restores is available here. Locking the home directory ensures other processes are not able to read or write to the home directory while a restore is in progress. The Privacy and Security tab includes the ability to set user agreements and privacy policies for your clients to see and accept. It also includes toggles for account encryption for GDPR purposes. And finally, the right to be forgotten TTL is set here. This TTL setting will remove all data from any account terminated after the specified number of days. Most critically in this section, however, is your master encryption key. This key is critical in disaster recovery scenarios, and there is no way to perform a disaster recovery without it. It's important to save this key somewhere secure so you can access this during a DR. Moving on, the Panel tab will provide a couple of fields for configuring panel-specific items like the default restore IP address and the default owner. These will serve as default values for these fields when restoring an account. By default, root is set as the default owner. Next, the Backup on Demand section gives your users the ability to create a full point-in-time backup snapshot of their account. On-demand backups are useful right before making any changes to a user's site, email, databases, or any other features of their account. If necessary, they can conveniently roll back to the most recent on-demand backup instead of restoring from the last scheduled backup, which may be further back in time. The settings we'll talk about today control the global backup on-demand settings. Starting with the backup job field, this setting will allow you to enable backups on demand by selecting a job from your backup job list for the backup on demand feature to use. The job you select must be a full account backup and must be enabled to be used with the backup on demand feature. The maximum backup setting will set a limit on how many backups on demand any account can keep, and how long to keep snapshots field dictates how long they can exist for. Finally, Backup on Demand provides the ability to disable this feature for an account should it reach either a defined disk space or inode usage limit so as not to overwhelm the available system resources or fill up disk space. The Notification tab provides the ability to create and manage notification integrations through our notification plugins for services like email, Slack, Teams, or Telegram. When selecting the tab, you'll be presented with the active notification integrations as well as the ability to create a new integration with the Create New Notification Integration button at the top of the page. JetBackup comes pre-installed with the email notifications integration, and additional integrations can be installed by installing their associated plugin. The final Settings tab is for binary locations. In certain cases, you may want to change the location of specific binaries JetBackup utilizes. This Settings tab will allow you to adjust these locations. That will conclude our tutorial for the Settings menu of JetBackup 5. Thanks for joining us, and as always, all of our tutorials for JetBackup 5 are available at jetbackup.com/tutorials.